Hello, it is STR and I'm gonna run you through my makeup routine. Your girl's gotta start off strong, so I use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and then I move in with the Makeup Forever HD Hydra Glow Foundation. The contour in question is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Amber and I blend that out. And then I go in with brows, which is the Anastasia Dip Brow Gel in the shade Dark Brown. For nose contour, I'm using the Baby Got Peach ColourPop palette, but really any brown will suffice, and I'm gonna be real, nose contour for me is always kind of the Wild West, and I never really know what I'm doing. So, moving on to something I do know about, I use the Kosas Revealer Concealer, and I put it anywhere I essentially want to hide some imperfections or brighten up parts of my face, and then I blend it out with a beauty blender. A damp beauty sponge is 100% the way to go when it comes to applying makeup, I have found. And this is me just blending out my nose and adding a little bit more concealer to the sides of my nose to carve out my nose contour. Like I said, Wild West. But trust the process. Now it is white eyeliner time. I use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk and I blend that out. And now it's blush. Lately for blush, I've been using the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in the shade Joy. Honestly, a little goes a very long way. This is a very sun-kissed and peachy blush. I definitely am using this because I recently dyed my hair red, so it kind of goes with the color of my hair a little bit more. I am finding that this liquid blush blends very, very nicely. Moving on to eyeshadow, I use the ColourPop Blush Baby palette for the light shade for my inner corner. And then I've been going in with the Revolution Birds of Paradise palette from Target and using their reddish orange shades. I have definitely been gravitating toward reddish orange eyeshadow looks lately. And now for highlight, I use the NYX Jumbo Multi-Use Face Stick in the shade Vanilla Ice Cream. For eyeliner, I use the Kat Von Dee Tattoo Liner. I have hooded eyes, so every time I do my eyeliner, it is honestly a little bit different. For me, freckles are an absolute must. I use the Freck XL in the original shade Light Medium. I think they add so much to every single makeup look. And then I use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, which is so fire. And then I finish off with some crayon liner, and here's the look. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think.